This is absolutely delicious. Now let's check on the cow food. You guys, this cow food, I'm gonna use it for two things: Nkwobi and my stew. Now I'm gonna debone it because I don't like too much bone. For my Nkwobi, I'm going to debone some and keep some with the bones. So I'm gonna off it and allow it to cool a bit before deboning. This one's I'm gonna debone it for my Nkwobi. I'm gonna debone it and remove these ones. I don't like it. I have cooked my cow foot and debone it. Now let's make small Nkwobi. Now to make the Nkwobi, I'm gonna add palm oil in a pot. Don't on your heat at this point. I'm gonna add good palm oil. Now I'm gonna add my ngo. You can also use edible potash just to curdle the palm oil. This is the magic. Now I'm going to add my peppers. Add pepper to your taste, please. A little bit of pepper. Oba. Some crayfish. Grinded ehuru. 1 knorr cube and a little bit of salt. I'm gonna stir. Test for salt and adjust if needed. All good. I'm gonna add the cooked cow foot. Gonna stir. At this point, you can on the heat and warm it. At this point, you can add some utazi leaf, or you can add after, like you can use it to garnish it. I will still add some more after. Now, all warmed. Look at that, it's hot and nice, very juicy and ready to serve. You can add more uba if you wish, or if you have more uba. All ready to serve, juicy and creamy. Here is the Nkwobi. Serving it here. This is absolutely delicious, gorgeous.